Wicked. Hey Eddie, where are we?
I don't have my sea legs yet.
Eddie. I guess she'll want to talk to you. Well, gotta get past my baby gates. Because I brought my babies with me. Cute little baby gate. But you guessed it, folks. We're at Lake Powell. Oh, and it's warm. It's July, whatever it was. I can't remember the date. Anyways, it's Monday, pretty much. Monday morning, just got here myself. Had to work yesterday, but I was sick, so I actually stayed home. The wife came down with babies a day early, and then I came today. So anyway, that's it. That's where we're at. We're about to get super into the bass fishing. I hope you enjoy. As you're watching Knock and Stock on YouTube, Knock and Stock TV. Here we are.
What do they look like, Derek?
They're sheep. Big ones. No. Oh, got them just in time, people. Oh, no rams.
Well, 3, not including those 2.
Just a ewe.
Oh, so there were 3 more, so there's been 5? That's awesome.
Right here, right on top of that.
Earlier. There might have been one earlier.
That's pretty cool. Here we are. Here we are.
I'm
Fishing at Lake Powell.
Yeah, I do cameras.
Oh, you do cameras now, huh?
Just today is my camera day.
Oh, that's nice. We're throwing Ned rigs.
And they
We got some kind of a rooster tail Brogan picked out of his tackle box. Oh, squirrel.
yeah.
And Adam's throwing a single tail grub, and Carl's throwing a hula. And we've yet to catch fish. We're in Clear Creek?
Yeah.
Canyon. It's up the Escalante Rib Bar. And honestly, there hasn't been very many good fishing spots, but we got good camping in here.
And I caught a fish with some bread, right?
Yeah, we've caught some catfish off the houseboat. We want bass, because bass fight.
Yeah.
Oh, we got Adam. Adam's hooked up. Oh, did he spit it? Oh, I think I got it on film, though, him breaking water, so we'll count it. He's still there? Oh, he's still there. All right, we're in some waves. Caught a fish. Oh, I think I lost him. Oh, we lost him. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, we lost him. But the neg rig catches
I
one.
almost got a bite.
He was on the bottom.
Yeah.
I just, you know how so when you can't get them to hit the swim baits, what you can do is if you're throwing a jig head with a grub or something, you let it sit on the bottom. Sink way down on the bottom. And then you throw it out. Keep your rod
This way?
flat, and then all you do is you'll pick the tip up and you'll feel it drag along the bottom, especially if you're throwing braided line, you can really feel it. Anyways, you just sit there, fish it slow, reel it in, you'll feel little rocks, and then you'll feel a tug on one of those poles. It's like that.
Yeah.
And you'll feel it. Oh, I missed him. But it's just a really slow pull. Tip up. Nothing. Reel it in. Let it sink. Especially if you're throwing an 1/8 or 1/4 ounce, it sinks really fast, so you don't need to wait too long. Really finicky bass will go to a lighter weight, but it's a little tougher. And I got nothing. Throw it to me. Adam's got another one.
Hey, you're killing me.
Oh, it's a good one. Careful. Tip up. Keep your tip up. Let him fight. Oh, nice one. That's a nice fish. Nice fish.
Right there?
Yeah, now reel it in.
Oh, that's a nice one.
That's a good fish.
Oh yeah, this one's a good one.
There we go.
There we go.
That is a little bass.
No, I'm gonna get it.
Oh, you're gonna get it?
Oh, he almost swallowed it.
He's good. Whoa! You gonna do it or what, Squirrel? Don't just pull him out of the water and leave him. What's up, everybody? So, not gonna lie, I've been here a few days now, and fishing sucks. I haven't really ever seen it this bad. Water's up high, really high, and we're having a hard time getting in on anything, really. We've caught maybe 10 smallmouth, and that's it. So, not very good at all. Haven't really gone after striper much. Usually they're boiling this time of year. We've been watching. Seen maybe 1 or 2 boils. Nothing too exciting, really. I don't know what the deal is. I've tried everything, every bait I can think of. I haven't gone to a heavier weight yet, but I probably will here shortly. So, but yeah, if I figure it out, you guys I'll let you know. But honestly, right now we're having a tough time catching fish here at Lake Powell this year. But yeah, we're having fun. Check out the boat back there. A lot of wakeboarding and stuff, so it's fun. It's still fun. Just not what I like to do, really. But yeah, hopefully we'll get on some fish here soon, guys. Sorry. Well, YouTube, I'm down to my last trick. We can't seem to catch anything. Well, smallmouth anyway. So now I've gone to a 1/4 ounce head to get down deeper, quicker, and then just one of my favorite colors here in Lake Powell. It's kind of a gray charcoal with black and white flake. So we'll see how it goes. All right, pick him up. Bring him back here. Swing him back here. Swing him back here. Right here, Squirrel. No, Squirrel. Bring him back here.
Right there.
Let me see him. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. That's a big fish.
Yeah.
Okay, can you get the hook out?
No, he's almost swallowed it.
No, it's right there in his mouth. Get it out.
No, it's in his tongue.
That's fine. Okay, hand me the fish.
Oh.
Hand me the pole.
Now let him get away.
That's a nice fish. This one, all hope was lost. The squirrel. Oh man, I forgot my pliers. No, come on. Well. Ooh. Well, this would be easy if I had pliers.
So did you cut
Can't
his
believe
tongue out?
I don't usually need pliers when I'm fishing with jigs or grubs. All right.
Oh, there he is.
We got sick of bait throwing grubs, so we start trolling. A little striper on the outdoors bait. They catch striper.